Now, it's a Kronenberg beer bottle top here. Now that'll give a good signal, very annoying, especially on the beach, because you're always digging up bottle tops. So ordinarily, it's giving a really good signal. Now if I turn on iron audio, and I've got to take out, for it to work properly, I've got to take out some of the ferrous icons. So we just take that out. I'll take one out just for example. Now you should get an iron grunt now. It'll give a good signal, but also an iron grunt at the end. So it's an 87, which is really good signal. I think, well, it could be a pound coin or something, but this machine knows there's iron or ferrous content in this box, in this bottle top. So you know that's a suspect target. Really good feature. You might see what I mean by the iron audio here. There's a big bit of iron. Give me an 86, but just listen to the iron grunt at the end. Yeah, so we don't want that really. So the old iron audio is working. I just thought I'd dig it out of curiosity, but yeah, it's doing its job. Quite impressed.